Hello, this is Chris Yost of Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2026, and behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new 2026 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS fifth wheel. We're showing the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think.
And I'll tell you what, it's definitely springtime. About 50 degrees here, Duluth, Minnesota. Oh, there's some heat coming from that sun. Thank the good Lord. Camping season is on the horizon. In the meantime, beautiful 324 MBS painted front cap, LED lights incorporated right there into that cap in case you have a bad night at the campground and lose it. Stick out like a sore thumb. It's perfect. A little storage underneath here. Place for a couple batteries. We include a brand new deep cycle Interstate 27 series battery. We fill both of the 30-pound LP tanks, one on each side. And we include a complete orientation on this camper before you leave. That's all part of our pricing. No hidden fees, no games. Beautiful pass-through storage right there. That's your outside griddle, 110 fridge. And if you don't like the Capital griddle, the LP Quick Neck's right there. Bring along your favorite Blackstone or Coleman grill. Store it right in there. Use whatever you want to cook underneath. A nice big LED lit awning right there. Heated holding tanks on this coach. Got a nice fold-up aluminum steps, the big grab handle there. I'm going to back up and go around this way. Dual reverse mode. This side you're going to have your hookup center with your outside shower. All your valves telling you whether you got to hook it up for dry camping, winterization, black tank flush. Valves are right there. Auto leveling. Hit that button, walk away. Nice and easy. This unit's about 11.3, just over 11.3 dry. So 3/4 ton, 1 ton truck would be ideal. Tankless on-demand water heater. They give you a little PVC pipe right there to house your sewer hose. Full walk-on roof. Got the receiver hitch here with the 4-prong plug in case you want to pull a little trailer or a boat. Is prep for a backup camera right up there. Oh, a little bit of snow and ice. Get rid of that. Don't need that anymore. Climb over the bank. We'll take a look inside. So right when you walk in will be your monitor panel. All your light and awning switches are going to be right there. Here's the mid bunk room. A little storage underneath, big bed there, another bunk right there. Nice natural light option there. Place to put a TV. Got nice storage. More up above. Soft close doors. Got a pocket door to close off here. Another pocket door to close there. Even with that room, you have all this nice living area here. Slide here, slide here. Solid surface counters, huge sink. With your sprayers you can pull out and keep people in line if they're getting mouthy on the sofa or the dinette. 2 ACs on this unit. Obviously ducted heat. You're going to have your pantry here with the motion sensor lighting. Obviously theater seating here. Got your C-shaped dinette, which will also make down to a big bed if you like. Overhead storage. You're going to have the shades. They're incorporated right into these frames now. Oh, okay, I'll sit down here at the theater seating. Oh, man. Yep. I want to throw down that fireplace, not just for ambiance or romance. That puts out like 5,000 BTUs of heat. There you got your TV. Oh, man. Oh, got the exhaust fan up there with the rain sensor. That's controlled right over there. Get up before I fall asleep. Right behind here is your Bluetooth JBL stereo, name brand. Speakers as well. 3-burner range, oven. Little area on the side of the oven to put pans, which is nice. You got the side-by-side fridge, 370 watts of solar on this coach. Just to trickle charge that battery when you're sitting out in the sun. Oh, and of course, no carpet, even on the slides. And it's a color to where if you don't clean, nobody's probably going to know, which is even better, but you can always throw rugs down.
Say hello to your neighbors. All-in-one bath, still doing porcelain toilet, actual glass doors. Some storage there for some washcloths, maybe a couple towels, medicine cabinet. Actually some counters here, still solid surface, but a place to put your brushes, toothbrushes, and a decent sized sink as well. So let's just do the test. I'm gonna go in here. So I'm just over 6'2". I'm definitely not coming with you, but as you can see, even I can get clean in here. And once again, they go with the pocket door to close this off, so you don't have to worry about swinging that door open and smacking your other half down the steps. Nice big windows here in the bedroom area. Allows for some cross ventilation if you're not want to use that bedroom air. True 60 by 80 queen bed, and all Grand Design products, which is so nice. I was kind of wondering if Grand Design could put a few more of these logos on here. I don't think there's enough. But anyway, his and her nightstands right there. 110 plugs on either side. And of course you've got a nice deep closet right there. Lots of storage, couple drawers down below, nice and deep. A place to even tuck your shoes or hide your chocolate right down there. This prep for a bedroom TV. There's a backer right there if you want to add one. Yeah, it's a nice coach. We got a family where you want to have the kids have their own spot but still have a nice big living area. This is the coach for you. Another nice part, it's not going to be 40-41 foot. We're about 37 feet total from pin to end, which isn't bad at all. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth. If you don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. This one's here as of Wednesday, March 25th. It's available. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. I've been here 25 years. All I'm here to do is help you go camping. We do take trades. If you're interested at all, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-225-8355. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that each time we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.